Hello YouTube, welcome back. It is your old friend Sirens in New Jersey here. I think it's finally time I'd show you a little surprise that I built. I don't know if you remember this horn from System Test 1. Well, I got this from a fire convention from Wheaton Arts, New Jersey. This is a truck horn. Actually, no, this is a boat horn, but they use this for fire engines. It's a Grover boat horn. I have this wire to this little pipe system going to an air compressor. Here's the base. She looks very nice. Pretty impressed with this setup. And then we're using Craftsman air compressor, and this will be running on, well, you can't see it, 95 psi. And we will be sounding this for 6 o'clock. I guess I'll just give you a little buzz just to show you. That's just this thing is so loud. Very interesting farm bill here. That's just a call if somebody is outside. If somebody is inside, they want to go outside and ring that. That's just to call them over to tell them that it's dinner time. I actually want to find one of these and hook it up to a homemade clock system. So every time for 12 and 6 o'clock, every time I have it set up for 12 and 6, it'll ring like 12 times, and then for 6 it'll ring for 6 times. I want to look for one of these and build that mechanism. Dang, I just had a brain fart. What's going on? Well, it's 5:59, and that Century 3 V8 just screamed. And I just heard some other people screaming, and this will be screaming, and I wonder if the people will be screaming when this will be screaming. Oh boy, this is gonna be pretty freaky. Oh, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was crazy. Whew. Well, that's a little sneak peek for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. Oh boy. Thanks for watching. I bet the neighbors will enjoy that.